Hi, it's Zarek Daniel from USA Math Ministry and Organization. I hope my transparency of my background will not bother you because my face sometimes will go off and on a little bit. It's not going to be clear, but it's part of my artwork. I like to be organic, and I'm so happy to announce this beautiful technology that right now you can see. I have this beautiful laptop, and I want to show you the application for truly becoming and kind of electrical engineer, official and certified based on video presentation. My point is, you don't need to do complicated Arduino project and just show me complicated circuits that you're gonna build. Then, of course, you might use a Raspberry Pi Raspberry processor and just make it remote just in case. But my point from being an engineer is just using mathematics. That's why I'm going to, maybe I need to show the books we need here for this electrical engineering application. You need to know about C++. Brian Strassroff recently wrote this book. It's an amazing book for learning a tour for C++. You need to know coding, and these are the steps, in your level, because sometimes you don't need to be too, you don't need to know too much. And here, the other thing is the fundamental, because we want to destroy college and universities very soon. We want to start this group of people that are going to join USA Math, and if you're going to go study this amazing subject, then of course we are focusing on electrical engineering. As you see, it's electronic and magnetism is 343, but it has all this option, the Laplace transformation, that is part of, first of all, this is mathematics. So you saw the book, and I show you the coding book, but one thing that you must always have, it's the Bible. I'm gonna go always through Bible study because we are dealing with demonic knowledge. All this you see, it's demonic. Why is demonic? Because it's demonic possessed. And the point, the point with Christ, the point was us as a human, was that serpent was jealous about all the power that God gave us. He wants to take all the power to put his goal in it. And Christianity is only a religion that explained this with me, through me right now, clearly, that artificial intelligence and all these things, 666 and all this Illuminati, everything, they're using pure holy elements towards their goal. Anything else than Christianity, you can choose freely, and I will never talk against it. But this platform, USA Math Ministry and Organization, is Christian. You're welcome. You're welcome for the purpose that you come in, because I'm serious, I'm against homosexuality, and I'm against, these are unusual things based on science, so I can accept the approach, but I will go through my kind of platform that I'm going to say, what is your problem that you're homosexual, and you need to change. This is my opinion. This is USA Math. You are here, so this is a platform. So the thing is, we need to have a Bible, and then we are going to have a overview of this based on, you just clean the toilet, you do something, right? But then you need to want to make sure that it's right. You need to make sure that we need to just step up to a financially construction. My point is, you're doing the toilet, but then you learn a couple of construction skills that we have this beautiful construction book. So for being an electrical engineer, because we're approaching through electrical engineering platform, maybe you're just approaching from cleaning a toilet. Maybe it's in the future I need to advertise certified cleaning toilets, certified and official tutorial for cleaning the toilet, because from that point you're gonna jump to the maybe cleaning subject, but when it is electrical engineering and all this word is manipulation, because you're a Freemason, there are secret societies. I'm open source, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm outsourcing things. So You saw this, so I'm gonna from here I'm gonna jump to the computer because I'm gonna close this. It's a beautiful application. As you see, my home screen is just showing its airdrop. It's amazing. Here I can start to show my kind of why I'm using this, because I'm using the beautiful application here for, as you see, it's gonna go here for writing, because I love computer, but you need to see my handwriting. I need to prove that I know things. So one of the things about engineering, of course, this is Serpent. Most of the thing is Serpent, Luciferian, but from Christian Holy Bible that I'm having here. I put my hand always have the Bible with yourself, because there is no other way of getting saved against this the demonic powers. So we have this beautiful kind of, because we need to do mathematics. You need to refresh, and when you refresh, and it's gonna come back, and then when it's come back, because why I'm doing this, because it's electrical engineering official certified course, and we're gonna go one by one, and as you see, we're gonna go for advanced kind of thing. So I'm gonna open my book, and I need to see how many minutes so far. It's I think it's 6 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. We're gonna close the deal. So I show the books, I show the application. We're gonna go to the page 343, and together we start to outsource this knowledge that is just so it's bounded into these college and stupid universities that people are sick. Come and do mathematics in Chess Park. Let's do mathematics, coding, and then together. And as you see, these are secret societies. We need to just let things to be out. They just want to, because I was thinking, man, I have this expensive computer. We need to expose, we need to talk, we need to communicate. This is the way that we're going to be safe. So as you see, I'm going to page. Oh, here it is. I'm going to page to the second page of the book, and I'm just watching the book. I'll show, okay, here, I is the ampere, right? You need the unit is ampere, is dq dt. So what is dq? It's a small amount of things. When we have a regular equation, let's say y is equal x plus 1. When we shake this equation, see, dy dx plus all the elements, right? In general, when we differentiate this, it's going to be plus 1. So this is going to be differentiation. We are shaking the equation, because the differentiation concept comes from sigma. I hope I have my card here. If I hand my card to you, as you see, it's this sigma sign. Here it is. Okay, here is a sigma sign. I hope it's not going to be transparent. Or is it reverse? Okay, here it is. Sigma sign. Sigma sign is the way that we define integral. A lot of times, if you know mathematics, it's just going to help you 100% in your life. So I'm explaining, we are going together, and as you see here, we have this, where was that? So math practice, it's amazing. We go back to this practice. So it is I. Is there any application that I can do this? Because, we're gonna, Joule is, so we are learning electrical engineering. This was definition of ampere. Here current is the time rate of the change of the charge. Its units are amperes. And voltage is a measure of energy transferred per unit of charge when the charge is moved from one point to a second point in a circuit. So we have 1 volt is equal 1 joule over 1 coulomb. It's amazing. So V is D of work done on a D of Q. Amazing. Work done on an Q. Q is a charged electrons, So we're gonna go through this. So here we have electricity and electromagnetism. I can read the book here. It says, our physical world may be interpreted into terms of matter and energy, both of which exist in a variety of forms. Matter undergoes change. Energy either causes or is a result of a change. Matter has been defined as anything that occupies space and possesses mass. Energy, on the other hand, is ability to do work. Although energy itself cannot be measured, its results can. So my point is, I know English, I know these applications, and this is exactly the platform we all both go through. And step by step, we're gonna create circuits, and everybody. I mean, you come to me, and I'll show you maybe 10%. Everybody does something, or I want to in a board. You show that you know, and you don't need to go to the occupation center and all these corrupt entities in general. You can go there, but at the end, we're gonna do the work. We're gonna just corrupt these banks and secret societies and all these garbage things as long as we are alive. And this is the amazing fight we're gonna, because if we put as a Christians as those pure powers that you are with USA Math, they don't like us, you know, they hate us, and this is the way they're gonna fight these people. And it's amazing. I already showed this, and I'm gonna close this. As you see, I'm closing this, and at the end I can make my picture big, as you see. And I want to thank you for watching my video, and it's so amazing. And where is the record? Is this recording? Okay, it's already done, I think. Is it finished? Pause. Okay, I need to pause. So here I am. I need to learn a little bit about this scale, because I have this light problem. Okay, here it is. So I make it. So is there anything? Oh, and then don't forget to visit the website. Website is a great source to just learn about USA Math and updates. Here you see this beautiful wave things comes in, and even you can just go with the drone project. I'm a very active person, so I hope you're gonna digest what I'm saying. We're gonna have quantum computer, we're gonna have Rubik cube, we're gonna have study of Illuminati and secret societies officially. So these are the things we need, because Satan right now. Satan get hold of electric and sexually and uses electric to sexually attack people. So with electrical engineering, I'm gonna act as an antivirus and fight this system. We all gonna fight, because I want to put the money and knowledge and energy in your pocket, not them. As much to survival point, you know, because at the end, whatever you do here, you hurt yourself. That's it. So this was USA Math platform. It was amazing. I'm super happy, and we're gonna go together. USA Math Ministry and Organization signing off.